Let's go buy a car for college. I don't have to walk that. Today we're at Toyota looking for the best car for college students. And honestly, even after all these cars, I think it's gonna be pretty easy to find the best one. And after just scanning a lot right off the bat, the very first car that catches my eye, the Corollas. The Corolla is probably the easiest Toyota to recommend for college students. Now the starting TSRP for the Corollas are around $24,500. If you're driving the gas Corolla LE, you get an estimated 32 miles per gallon on the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. But if you go for the Corolla Hybrid, you can get up to an estimated 53 miles per gallon in the city and up to 46 miles per gallon on the highway. Now this is the car for students who need something reliable, affordable, easy to park, and good on gas. Basically, this is the car that says I make responsible decisions even if your sleep schedule's all over the place. Now what really makes the Corolla stand out is its value. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Toyota multimedia system, and available blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alert. And I'm sure we've all been on campus parking lots when everyone's late and no one's looking, so these things actually help. Now if I'm buying for a college student and the main goal is low stress transportation, the Corolla is definitely the way to go. Now the main part I'd be careful is over upgrading. Now if your budget's the main reason you're looking at the Corolla, don't go ahead and accidentally build yourself a Camry. Now speaking of Camrys, this is going to be the more grown-up college car. Now the starting TSRP for the Camrys are going to be around $31,300, and the big thing now is all Camrys are hybrid. But Toyota says the Camry can get up to a 51 combined MPG depending on the configuration. Now the Camry just makes sense if you're a commuter, drive on the highway a lot, or if you just want a car that's going to last you all throughout college and into your first real job. Now what really makes the Camry stand out is its comfort. It's got more room than the Corolla, it's smoother for longer drives, and it's still really efficient because of that hybrid setup. And you also get some nice daily driver stuff available like a 12.3-inch touchscreen, available heated and ventilated seats, available all-wheel drive, and standard blind spot monitors. Now the Camry's not always the cheapest college pick, but it might be the smartest long-term investment if you drive a lot. But be careful, a college car should make life easier. It shouldn't be the reason why you're spending your tuition on gas and eating ramen for all 3 meals of the day. Also, there's one thing I forgot to mention. If you're a current student or you're a recent grad, ask us about Toyota's college rebate. Now there are rules and requirements, but if it helps save you money, it's definitely worth checking out. Now if you're really looking for a fuel saver, you gotta check out the Prius. Now the starting TSRP is around $30,000, and the Prius LE gets around 59 miles per gallon in the city and 50 miles per gallon on the highway, which is absolutely ridiculous. Now what makes the Prius stand out is efficiency. The Corolla's already good on gas, but the Prius takes it to a whole nother level. You also get hatchback practicality. So it's useful for backpacks, luggage, groceries, gym bags, and all the random stuff you somehow collect when you're in college. And dare I say it, but the newer Prius models actually look good. It has a sharper design, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, blind spot monitors with rear cross traffic alert, and an 8-inch Toyota audio multimedia screen on the LE. Now the Prius is great if you drive a lot, but if you barely drive, the Corolla might be the smarter money move as it starts lower. And finally, we have the RAV4, which is the one people probably want to buy before they even step foot on the lot. Now the starting TSRPs are on $43,500, and for 2026, the RAV4 either comes as a hybrid or a plug-in hybrid. The base LE model is rated at 47 miles per gallon in the city and about 40 miles per gallon on the highway. And for your cargo space, you can get up to 37.8 cubic square feet behind that second row. Now this is the #1 college pick if you need real space. So if you're constantly moving in and out of your apartments, going on road trips, beach days, literally anything that you could think of, this is where the RAV4 starts to make sense. Now one of the main things that makes the RAV4 stand out is its size and flexibility. You're getting more cargo room, more SUV capability, and for 2026, you get Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, standard 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster, and a 10.5-inch multimedia screen. Now here's my honest take. The RAV4 is great, but it's not automatically the best college car just because SUVs are popular. So if you're gonna use the space, that's awesome. But if you're just driving solo to class, the day function, or Pilates, the other 3 might be enough car for less money. Now let me refresh your memories. Corolla is the smart budget pick, Prius is the fuel saver commuter pick, Camry is the comfortable long-term commuter, and the RAV4 is the space and flexibility pick. Leave a comment down below which Toyota you would choose for college. If you need help picking out which Toyota is best for your budget, come visit us at Toyota of Orlando just off of I-4 right across Mall at Millennia.